Today's episode is 93 reacts to Medieval Nom snore gets replaced with number block 58's snore, but she threw a disco. And this video has been requested by Chody Wangmo. Enjoy the video.
Hi. I'm 93. Sorry for not reacting to replacements, because there were a few tins remaining. But gladly I returned. I'll react to Medieval Nom snore gets replaced with number block 58 snore, but that would be an ultimate disco. But anyways, time for disco. Well, that was gorgeous. The video ended so quick, because I started the disco for number block 58 snoring effect. Anyways, stay tuned for episode 471.